Hello everyone, again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying that this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. For those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, we speak about personal business credit. So let's dive in, let's talk about it. Now, if you've been living under a rock, which a lot of us have been, me included, we have not been knowing how many years that people has been manifesting how the metaverse will take over this world. Two of the top dogs in the metaverse is Mana, or Decentraland Mana, or the Sandbox. But there are some lesser known altcoins that's taking the metaverse by storm. So possibly you can't not get into, for example, you probably can't get into some of those other coins because they have matured too much. But there's still a way for you to get in some of them. And let's talk about it. Let's talk about Planet Sandbox. I have recently purchased this cryptocurrency. I use Trust Wallet. Then I use Pancake Swap. Well, you got to go to CoinMarketCap. Then you got to use Pancake Swap, and you can definitely purchase this altcoin. So, welcome to the ultimate battleverse. Choose your NFT gear and jump into the crypto-powered real-time shooter unlike any other. I think that this is definitely going to rock a lot of people's worlds. About Planet Sandbox is the ultimate psychic sandbox game that allows players to build and customize creative sandbox worlds with unlimited building terms. It is also a multiplayer TPS NFT game that let users engage in combat, arena, and profit from battles. So it's fully equipped to help you make your money. Gameplay. Planet Sandbox is a virtual world where players can build, own, and monetize their virtual experiences. We empower artists, creators, and players to build the platform they always envisioned, providing the means to unleash your creativity. The graphics is bar one. And as you can see, this does not look like the more popular Sandbox game, the Sandbox. This looks like its own characters, right? Building mode. This is one of the core functions of the game. When the player first enters the game, there will be provided a builder tool to customize every object in their inventory. Game assets. Each object will have its own categories and properties that define its characteristic. Rarity is defined by NFT priorities. And most of these are coming soon because this is a relatively new game. And sometimes with these games, to make your money, and I know I don't supposed to give financial advice, you can't wait till everybody's talking about the game. That means once you get into these games early, you are invested early, other people push you up. And when they push you up, you're going to gain more of the profit. When people are talking about it, it's too late in some cases. I'm not talking about all. You got Desert Land, Joker Pistol, Arctic Land, AK-47 Retro 2069. And as you can see, this is coming soon. This gun for Evil Boy coming soon. This version of AK-47 in 2069 with Neo Light. So two of these are coming soon, and some of them are in the game. Then you got the Lady Pistol, the Devil Pistol, right? And then now you got an AK-47 Retro, and then you got Grassland, which is coming soon. You got Magma Machine Gun, Evil Machine Gun, Spectra Fly Car, and Mountain Land coming soon. All right, you got Mountain Land coming soon, Standing Drone, Loot Box Common, and Toxic Wasteland coming soon. So a lot of this is coming soon. Roadmap: August to September 2021. Game announced. Website debut. Game promotion start. October, sell NFT items, token starts trading. Game alpha version release. Stacking PSB. November 2021, where we at now. Integrate marketplace. Game beta release. All right, December 2021, release of all 3D models. Mobile version release. Q1 of 2022, VR AR release, update gameplay mode. Third quarter continued. This is the team behind a great game. Stand the passionate and talented people in the industry. We want to bring the best experience to all players. So these are the players: CEO and founder, CTO and co-founder, art director. So they develop a great team here. These are the advisors. I'll leave a link in the description so you can read about them. And these are backed by Red Kite, Game FI, NCG Ventures, Ice-T Labs. You got Lua Ventures, Everse Capital, Deck Ventures, Basics Capital, New Wave Capital. They have a lot of backers. So I'm gonna leave the link in the description so you can see. Moon Boots Ventures, Dutch crypto investors, and the people who have invested. Don't leave your name out also because you are a backer. Then they got partners, the Dare NFT, Babylon's, Meto, Block X, and AV Star Capital. Security Audits, Surtech, Security Leaderboard. Media, Yahoo Finance, Bazinga. You got News BTC, Investing.com. And let's go into the facts. What is Planet Sandbox? How Planet Sandbox different from other NFT? And I'm not going to read all this. I'm just going to read a couple of them. Planet Sandbox is a game that combines building features and real-time PvP game mode. Players can build their worlds and participate in intense fighting mode using NFT weapons and accessories. The project vision is to create a metaverse built and controlled by players. It can serve a wide variety of players, satisfy different needs and preferences. Our targeted players are not limited to crypto-savvy users, but also include traditional gamers who are not familiar with the NFT game. The primary purpose is not only to earn, but also to enjoy the fascinating lore and diverse play modes in the game. And these are the all of the other facts questions. I'm gonna read this last one, and then of course I'm gonna leave the link. You can read the rest. Metaverse will be the next revolution in NFT games. As a result, the core team has a plan to develop Planet Sandbox as a metaverse and will begin next year. More exciting features coming up next in the future. AR VR experiences feature governance, build world, and custom game mode. And let's go to CoinMarketCap. So we can look and you can see that they're a relatively new game. I mean, token by itself right now, when you see that, like I just read, it's spanking brand new. Planet Sandbox is standing at $1.43. They just was released in August and they already are rocking. The low was 74 cents for the year and the high was $1.51, and they hit that recently. The market cap is still determined. The fully diluted market cap is 143,313,775. The volume is 2,661,912. So, like I said, this is a spanking brand new game. It may be volatile. Do more research before you get in it. But I'm telling you that this has significant potential. If you miss the Sandbox, if you miss Mana, if you miss a lot of the other one like Engine Coin and so many others, do not miss Planet Sandbox. Once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be coming to you more videos in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.